we'd like to thank Pidilite and CPAA for carrying on this wonderful work for the last 12 years. It's been an honor being here, and thanks to China NC as well. I'd request Mr. Bachchan to say a few words.
We've all gathered here tonight, ladies and gentlemen, to support a very noble cause, a charity that works for little children that suffer from cancer, in particular blood cancer. And I'd like to express my gratitude to Abu Sandeep, to China NC, and to my colleagues from the film industry, Alia, Varun, Sonali, and this lovely lady, to participate in this event and lend support to this cause. I also want to thank all these very beautiful ladies that stand behind me and the handsome men for participating tonight. Charities, as you all know, ladies and gentlemen, exists on donations, and we're also here tonight to provoke you, to request you, and to urge you with folded hands to make as generous a contribution as you can towards this cause. It's a very sad sight to see a young child suffering from cancer, and I'm sure that you would all agree that your donation tonight can go a long way in giving an opportunity to these young children, these young souls, to lead a full life and a healthy one. Thank you.
We'd just like to honor Mr. Manian, who has raised an incredible amount of money for CPAA individually.
Thank you, all the models, and Mr. KVS Manian. Can we have a huge round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen? This was simply fabulous. This was Abu Jani and Sandeep Khosla. We request Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, Abu Jani and Sandeep Khosla, Alia Bhatt, Varun Dhawan, Sonali Bendre Bail, and Suzanne Khan to please stay back on stage.
I have a special announcement to make. Come on. Mr. Bachchan has very, very generously agreed to donate to CPAA a sum of 11 lakhs right now. Please donate generously. Hold this. Thank you, Mr. Bachchan.
Sapru, founder, chairman, and CEO of CPAA, believes that no patients should suffer or be deprived of a chance of receiving treatment due to lack of resources. CPAA aids the needy patients, but we require your support also to bridge the gap. He is one of the driving forces behind CPAA's outstanding work in the field of cancer care.
All right, thanks for those wonderful words. And now I would like to request the lovely Shaina NC to please say a few words.
Mumbai rocks, and you can see it here. No ego, no hang-ups. People who have gone up there, I want to thank you. I want to thank you because you had every right to be down here, but you've got the best view up there. The person you'll all want to see and hear is only this one young man called Varun Dhawan with a heart of gold. If you agree with me, clap, root for him. His mother and father are also here, and his mother used to always say, my Varun, you call him for a good cause and he'll drop a shoot and he'll be there. And he is there. The finest in the world of fashion, somebody that I have grown up seeing, Abu and Sandeep. You all technically should be my mother's age group, but you all still rock. So it's a pleasure to have you on board. And of course, as my father always says, there are givers and takers in society. The givers sleep well, the takers eat well. We're all the takers. These three are the givers. Woo! Mr. Y.K. Sapru, Mrs. Rekha Sapru, Shelja, Jayanti Bhai, thank you. Asit, thank you. All the sponsors, Malishka. The most humble person in this entire auditorium is sitting there, Mr. Madhukar Parekh and his wife, Mala. Fevicol and Pidilite have been sponsoring this show year after year, and I really think it takes a certain kind of personality to be sitting in the audience when we are all up on stage. It should be the reverse. You should be up here. So I only want to say enjoy this show. It's going to be a fun-packed, rocking evening. Lots of suspense, lots of thrill, and lots of people from all walks of life. Almost 101, the largest we've ever done in our whole lives. And I hope that you all will root, shout, even if they trip, fall, get it right, get it wrong. Enjoy it because you can identify with them. And maybe the next year, there'll be people from this audience also up on this stage. So thank you, Abu Sandeep, for being just such wonderful partners. We were hesitant. You are a new team, but we look forward to it year after year. And to Rekha Aunty and Y.K. Sapru, we can only say if it wasn't for y'all, none of us would be here.
Thank you, China. So nice of you to say so many kind words. Thank you.
Shaina NC, ladies and gentlemen, rock star woman. And she also does a wonderful drape. Thanks, Shaina. I would now, of course, like to invite Abu Jani and Sandeep Khosla to please say a few words. Hello there, wonderful rocking gentlemen.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. I know you're impatiently waiting for the show to begin. It's going to begin shortly. Please donate generously towards cancer care, towards cancer aid. It's something that we all need to do. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much, Abu Jani. Thank you so much, Sandeep. One of these days, I'm wearing your creation. Hai na?
Absolutely.
Yeah. I do all these deals on stage quickly when nobody can say no. Like now, where are you going? You have to say a few words, my friend. Varun Dhawan! I was walking towards you so that you could say a few words. In fact, you should step out to show what you're wearing. You're looking so hot.
Hello. I'm wearing Abu Sandeep, but first of all, very good evening to everyone out here. And something that I actually want to say is that I've been here for so many shows. I'm going to leave this bouquet. I'm just going to give this bouquet, sorry. I've been here, I've been to this auditorium for so many shows, so many award shows, and I've never seen this place more packed than tonight. And that says so much about Mumbai. I feel so proud to be part of this city. I feel so proud to know all these fine people on stage today. And thank you for getting me to do this. And all of y'all are, I mean, it's amazing, guys. So please donate because we're all here for a good cause. And nothing is bigger and better than humanity in today's day and age. Thank you, guys.
All right, Varun, I would request you to please stay on stage while Mr. Sachin Jain says a few words, please.
Distinguished guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, it is with great pride and happiness that brings me to partner with CPAA. I think it's a phenomenal job they do, and I'd like to congratulate every member to do this phenomenal job, and that's such a noble job they do. Forevermark is a diamond brand from the De Beers group of companies, and every Forevermark diamond stands for, very importantly, responsibility. And as an organization, we've done a lot of initiatives, and what it means to be behind initiatives is something that I'm seeing today. I mean, the fact that to stand behind something as evil as cancer is not about a flavor for the season. It's not about a flavor for a year. It's something that you really take up as a war against something so important and something that will really change our society. So we are extremely pleasant and happy to be a part of this platform, and I wish you all a great evening ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Jain. And I thank all our distinguished guests. Would you please go ahead and take a seat? I would just like Varun Dhawan and Mr. YK Sapru to please stay on stage, because we're about to felicitate a wonderful person next. So, ladies and gentlemen, while you show Varun Dhawan your hand, Varun, you should wave out to a few of them, because they're dying to wave out. Yes. Thank you, Mr. Sapru. Now, in this moment, the person I'm going to get you to meet, Varun उसे specially हाथ ऐसे दिखाएगा, because we would like to present a special award to a young girl who has set a moving example to all of us with her spirit, her dedication and selflessness. Please put your hands together for Miss Muskan Tolani. She's the youngest fundraiser for CPAA in the Standard Chartered Mumbai Marathon 2017.
Come on, guys, let's hear it for Muskan. You brought a Muskan on all our faces today. Congratulations.
Gentlemen, you will be surprised to know that the amount of money that she has collected from the marathon for CPA will save the lives of at least 8 people suffering from leukemia. I'm sure you'd like to say something, how much happiness it is giving you.
Please say something, Muskan.
So I'm just going to make it quick. I started supporting CPA in 2013 because my grandfather was afflicted with cancer, and he had been struggling and diagnosed with cancer for 6 years, and he lost his life in 2015. I think this is a wonderful cause, and there was no hesitation, like no any other cause that I would support, and I'm so happy to be supporting it for the past 4 years. So thank you so much.
Muskan?
You are great. You are really great.
Muskan, I would like the DJ to play some amount of music while Muskan, Varun Dhawan, you must, and Mr. Sapru, if you will, just take her up to the center so that, come on, let's have a little bit of music.
I don't think we've ever had Mr. Julio Ribeiro on stage, or Diana, who has suffered cancer herself, has fought back and heads cricket in the country today. We have these two lovely girls from Bhandup, Gurpreet and Preeti, 23 and 20, and they have a story to tell too. But rather than going into that, I'm going to request you to say something in 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Well, I think this is the first time I walked the ramp. I never thought I would do that. I remember my wife was sitting here when she was a school teacher in Pune 50 years ago. She walked the ramp with the principal, and I now walk the ramp with Shaina. Thank you. Great honor, and I'm always amazed at the number of people who are out, who are willing to help others in this city of Mumbai. And that is why our city is so vibrant.
Diana.
Good evening. I just want to tell you the word cancer should not affect anybody. I had it in my left eye in 2005, and here I am in 2017 standing in front of you. There's nothing, if you just take it as another ailment, nothing can go wrong. So fight it. We are sports people. We know how to play the game. Play it on the front foot.
Thank you all, and thank you everybody here.
एक सेलिब्रिटी को संभालना कठिन है. यहाँ 101 थे और सभी डॉक्टर्स, लॉयर्स, एडवोकेट, क्रिकेट पर्सनालिटीज़, पुलिस पर्सनल सभी कैंसर कॉज को सपोर्ट करते हुए मैं मानती हूँ कि सही मायने में ग्लैमर विद अ पर्पस इज़ मीनिंगफुल एंड ग्लैमर विदाउट अ पर्पस इज़ मीनिंगलेस. कहीं ना कहीं यहाँ कोई फैशन मॉडल्स नहीं थे. अलग अलग अंदाज से आप अलग अलग महिलाओं से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं और मेरा यही प्रयास रहा कि साड़ी जो हमारा पोशाक है अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे हम लेके जाएं.
और ये जो कैंसर पेशेंट के लिए इनिशिएटिव था, हमने देखा सपू जी भी थे, आप भी प्रेजेंट थे, तो इस मौके को क्या कहना चाहिए?
मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि समाज में दो ढंग के लोग होते हैं, एक जो देते हैं, एक जो लेते हैं. जो देते हैं अच्छा सोते हैं, जो लेते हैं दिन भर खाते रहते हैं. तो आपका चॉइस है कि कौन से कैटेगरी में आपको काम करना है. और फैशन की दुनिया में बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि फ़ैशन शोज़ का क्या मतलब, लेकिन जो आप सही अंदाज पे सही लोगों पे देखें पोशाक तो पता चलता है कि सही में ये एक योगदान है कॉज के अवेयरनेस और प्रिवेंशन दोनों के लिए.
और ये आखिरी सवाल कि आप भी बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल साड़ी में दिखाई दे रही हैं. ये अटायर के बारे में और ये जो एम्ब्रॉयडरी है, मुझे ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है, आप कुछ बताइए. कि
मैं यही मानती हूँ कि साड़ी सबसे खूबसूरत पोशाक है और इसको प्रमोट करना चाहिए अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे, और यही मेरा प्रयास हमेशा रहा है. भारतीय है, हमारा है. अभी वक्त आ गया है कि ये अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पे दिखाएं लोगों को कि देखें हमारा साड़ी कितना खूबसूरत है.